Hi guys, let's review measurement. They want us to measure the length of the stapler using paper clips. Let's see. So the length of the stapler in paper clips would be 1, 2, 3, 4 paper clips. So what is the length? So let's write 4. Now what is the length of the stapler in the green squares? Remember, when we're measuring end to end and don't leave any gaps. Alright, green square is going to be about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to say it's about 6 because if we put one more, then that goes over it. So we're going to say we're estimating it is about 6 green squares. Okay, so now let's use the straws to measure. The length of the stapler is about 2 straws long. So why are the measurements different? We said in the past, we said that it's different because the length of the objects that we're using to measure is also different. So it took the most squares because the squares were the shortest, and it took the least straws because the straws are the longest. Alright, about how long is the eraser? We see here is 1 paper clip. So we have 1 paper clip. Look at that. So we're estimating, is it going to be 2 paper clips long? Is it going to be 5, 8, or 10? There's only one correct answer here, and if you said 2 paper clips, you are correct. Good job. Let's look at our next question. It says, about how long is the pencil? They show us 1 paper clip here, so we know there's not 1 paper clip. Okay. Let's see if we can move this around. 1, 2, 3. That's half of the pencil, so we know it is not 3 paper clips. 3, let's see if we can continue. 4, 5, 6. So this pencil is about 6 paper clips long. So if you get 6, you are correct. Alright, let's look at our next question. About how many square tiles long is the log? So we see it's 1. So 2. Okay, 2 doesn't make sense because we haven't completed the log yet. 3. That's not 3. 4. 5. So if you answer 5, you are correct. Alright, let's see what we have here. We have a picture of a boy here. So how many units is this? So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This boy is about 7 units long. What about these skates? Let's see how long these are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These skates are 5 units long.